Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out of your Ring app from your Android device. So let's not waste time and open the Ring app. Now, if you are logged into your account, click on the drop-down menu, go to Account Settings, scroll down, and you can see Sign Out. You can click on it and click Sign Out, and then you will be signed out. Let me show it to you again. Click on the Ring app, click on the drop-down menu, go to Account Settings, scroll down, and click on Sign Out. Now, click on Sign Out again, and you will be logged out of your Ring app. So, this is how you sign out or log out from your Ring app from your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.